Hello students, welcome to the IMS GATE Academy. Myself Ravi Bogdula, faculty for Computer Science and Engineering. Okay, the objective of this session to understand recently the GATE notification came and the GATE exam is going to conducted by IIT Roorkee. Right now, so in this session, just I want to discuss the students have a lot of queries like no, sir, syllabus has changed from the GATE 2024 to 25, and so we have hardly 7 months time we have. This 7 months time is sufficient to prepare or getting the good marks in the GATE exam, and obviously we want to secure the IIT or NITs, right? So all the things like whatever the queries we have, so we are going to be discussed in this session. Okay. The first of all, just all of you just try to comment it. My voice and the video is completely clear or not? Yes, all of you comment it so that we can proceed it. Okay. The first thing, looking at the syllabus, we verified from the official GATE, all the test papers and the syllabus already released, right? So GATE Computer Science and Data Science paper, DA paper, both the papers syllabus has not been changed. What are the syllabus has given the GATE 2024 and same syllabus is carried forward for GATE 2025 also, right? So when it comes to the subjects computer science, first little I want to focus on the computer science, what are subjects and the average weightage, so that also we see the preparation strategy for the next 7 months, like how can you utilize. As well as I know non-computer science students, the most of the students like mechanical, electrical, electronics, the people can appear for the data science paper. Even some of the branches are eligible for writing the GATE computer science also. How non-computer science students can effectively, like how they can study for data science paper so that they can get the good marks. All the things can be discussed in the session. Okay. First, looking at the computer science, you see, is the total subjects are 11 subjects, right? Including general aptitude. Okay. The average marks, if you see for the GATE computer science, like in a subject wise, so mathematics, engineering mathematics, we can get the 5-6 marks. Like discrete mathematics, we can expect 6 to 8 marks. We can expect, and coming into the digital logic design, again 6 to 7 marks we can expect. This is analysis we did from the last previous year papers. So when it comes to computer organization architecture, so it's giving the highest weightage, understand 8 to 10 marks can fetch it. And operating system, again 8 to 10 marks we can expect. The C data structure algorithms, so together it can give to 12 to 15 marks, is a good weightage that this subject. The theory of computation and comparison, again give a average weightage of 12 to 14 marks we can see. And the DBMS giving the average of 6 to 7 marks. Computer networks, we can expect a 6 to 7 marks. And so 2024 paper from computer networks happened, 9 marks of frame rate. Comparison generally we expect, comparison generally we expect thank you, ma. Thank you so much. Thank you. Has is information like IMS, we providing the three kind of classes, like no physical classes we have and pure online classes, as well as a hybrid model also there. Like we are at Jayanagar, we have a two physical centers like no Jayanagar as well as the Malleshwaram, and also we are conducting in Vijayawada also, right? So online mode also there, so definitely we'll do more videos on this YouTube. We'll consider your request, no? Definitely we'll consider your request. Yeah. So coming into this, I was talking about the weightage of the subject. Like the mostly you see the average marks, which I mentioned also for computer science, the related subjects like. Okay. Okay. So now the when it comes for preparation things like no. Sir, the question is that no, is it sufficient like the 7 months, like leftover months, if we talk about July we have, the August, so from this month if we count it, 7 months hardly we have. So this 7 months time is sufficient to get the good score less than 100 rank. Is it possible? The answer says that depends on the student. Some you want to study from today only, like from this month you want to start. The 7 months are the decent time, you can say ideal time to get the good marks in the GATE paper. Some of you might have started early preparation like 3 months back or 4 months back. So that for them it is a very good time, like you can say, because they are going to complete the syllabus next 3-4 months. Then these people definitely have at least 3 months time for the revision. So that's going to happen. But let's take the consideration. Somebody want to start their preparation like July only, sir. So just I come to know that GATE is going to be giving a lot of options. If I start preparation the July month, can I able to get the good score or good rank in the GATE examination? So yes, someone can start the preparation like from July if they start. So for you, like those who are going to start from July, so what I'm trying to say, the total subjects are 11, correct or not, for computer science, and first I'm talking, 11 subjects are there. So average you should take like no 2 subjects per month, you should complete it. 2 subjects per month. Like no, first you start with engineering mathematics, like a discrete mathematics. Suppose July you should target engineering mathematics and discrete mathematics. In August you start for targeting an digital algebra design and computer organization architecture. In September you can focus on like operating system you take, or a DBMS you can take, you study it then. So next October you focus on like a C data structure algorithm, some computer networks assumption. Then November TOC compiler design, general aptitude you can finish it. Like so November end or December 15, like 15 days of now December if you spend, this total syllabus you can able to complete, then you'll be having a time of 1.5 month. So 45 days are enough for revising the practice in the question. So someone want to start the preparation this month, like what is the, so like the people can go in the 2 ways, like you can take the classes, some guidance from the experts or any coaching center something, or some student can start their own preparation own. So the people who are choosing for own preparation, so you should make sure that authenticated sources or references or materials or textbooks, you should find it authenticated sources and start your preparation. Target like so monthly, in a month you should able to complete at least 2 subjects or 2.5 subjects. If you able to complete this one, so you will be finishing entire syllabus by so December 10th or 15th, then next 45 days are enough for revising. So in this way, if you follow, definitely you're able to cover it. The case you take, the some student already started way back some 3 months ago or 4 months ago. For them, for you guys to understand, you might have already some 30%, 40% syllabus might have completed. Let's take digital or COA or operating system or discrete mathematics or engineering mathematics, some portion you might have completed. For you guys to understand, you target to try to complete your syllabus like watching or attending the classes either offline or online mode, creating a notes till September ending or maximum October ending you should finish it. If you able to complete end of the October, then November, December, January you'll be having a 3 months. These 3 months are going to be deciding your rank, like okay. Now during this, like the next 3-4 months, what you have to do it. So somebody who going to start this month, then you should make sure the creation of the notes properly. First one thing you understand. So you must have some proper plans to get the good marks here. First thing you should have a good notes like either offline or online, or you create a notes from your textbook or standard materials. You should have proper notes for this. Then second thing, you should also start attempting some tests like you take chapter wise or topic wise or subject wise test, you should practice it. Okay. Then you should give a more weightage for the PYQs. The previous year GATE questions you should practice. Sir, why PYQs one should practice, understand? When you start practicing the PYQs n number of times, you will able to understand the mindset of the maker. So particular topic is there, suppose if you take operating system, some CPU scheduling algorithm. If I observe last 15-20 years GATE exam papers, you are able to understand what type of question they are framing in this area. Then you are able to guess it also, like these are the possible questions already made. So this type of question we can expect. See, you've seen the GATE abbreviation, right? Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, right? Obviously they're testing aptitude things in your core subjects only. Okay. So that is only possible enough practice if you do on previous year GATE questions. I am strongly recommending everybody, every GATE aspirant, at least I'm telling 20 years, minimum 20 years papers you should practice, so that you will get some clarity over the subjects. So then once you importance given, then you should also attempt the full length test series like mock test. The mock test some you should start like attending from, you understand, December. Suppose I'm taking the ideal case, who are going to start from this month. If in next 5 months if you complete the syllabus, then in between the subject which you complete, start working on PYQs, and at December and January you should only dedicate the time for full length test series. Full length test series you need to focus more, so that during that time you will understand you are going to manage the time. So you should you are going to solve the exam like paper like a real gate exam, so that you will also manage the time, you will understand where you do mistakes, so you learn and get the feedback yourself, and the next paper should try to minimize errors. Like this, if you do practice, then end of the December enough test you are able to solve, then last 5 days you can put for full revision only. So one more important thing, students, I'll remember all of you. So at the time once syllabus is complete, example in July, two subjects you taken, two subject 2.5. Once the subject is over, when you take the next subject in August, then try to spend one revision on these two subjects which you completed and create a short note. The short note going to be play the vital role in the prior to the gate examination, because you understand in a January time when you are attending a lot of test series, full length test series, sometime you'll forget the things. Like when you have 10 notebooks, right, when you have 10 notebooks and going each notebook and revising the concept, quite difficult. At the time of revision one, try to create the short notes which should contain so maximum some 10 to 15 pages for each subject, in which some important observation statement formulas are written. That's it. So that in December ending, January ending time, so use one notebook having all the subjects here, important things are there, just you can go through them, so that multiple revisions if you do it to understand, you will remember the concept, you will remember the formulas. So in the gate exam what happens, the gate questions are not ordered in the subject wise, these are jumbled. So as I say, like no, we have terms studied in the operating system context switch time. So when you do the multiple revisions on the subject, context switch time is less in the case of in a real gate exam. We see one question you solve from operating system, next maybe from the digital logic design, maybe TOC. You have to jump very quickly to understand the question and attempt it right. So for this, please understand, for this, multiple revisions are required. Multiple revision definitely going to be, so help you lot to know. So attempt the questions. For this, try to create the short notes during your first revision only. Okay. So I hope you understand this pattern. See, I just repeat. So look at the syllabus and average marks I discuss. The proper strategy, 5.5 months, 5 months you understand. Try to dedicate and create a notes and start revise and practice the PYQs and mock tests. Fine. So when it comes to data science paper, like no, many non-computer science students like electrical students, EC students, mechanical students, and physics, mathematics, there are many number of students can appear for data science paper. This paper added last year only. So last year paper added. Okay. So that analysis you see, we have a less subject, general aptitude, engineering mathematics we have, and DBMS and data structure algorithm, and programming in Python, and machine learning and AI is there. Like, and all non-computer science students, you understand, let's take mechanical or civil are not eligible. Mechanical students are triple E student who are going to appear for gate data paper. Remember students, focus on more mathematics. Mathematics is giving the highest weightage. The last year which we observed, almost 35 questions, 35 marks came from the mathematics or engineering mathematics. If you score in mathematics, general up to 15, 15 plus 35, almost 50 marks come from two subjects only. Additionally, if you focus on and data structure algorithm, little bit on program, like no, so DBMS, so there are chances to get even 65, 70 marks. And most of the IITs and NITs offering the data science paper, so that easily you can get it. So last year experience I can share it. Like no, my students, our student who did not prepare the data science paper, just they were preparing for computer science. We suggested every computer science student, you should apply your paper of the DA paper, write it. One of the student, scored 65 marks without any preparation, without any extra preparation. Whatever knowledge he gained from the computer science common syllabus, he able to score it, almost 65 marks he scored. His rank was around less than, so 500 rank is there. Sometime, no, again I'm recommending every computer science students, please understand, must appear for even data science paper also, because most of the topics are overlapped. So some common mathematics is there, general aptitude is there, and DBMS is there, programming, data structures also there. So these are the common subjects are there. At least if you can get it some 55, 60 marks. Sometimes your score may be less in computer science. If you get a more score in data science paper, so then through this also can get the admission into IITs or NITs. I hope you understand this point, all of you. So I am just welcoming everybody. Whatever queries you have, try to ask it, so that no, I'll try my best to answer it, ma. All of you. Yes, yes. Which topic? So in operating system, see, one question student asked, operating which topic I need to focus in. Operating system is the basic, fundamental, crucial subject for the GATE computer science students. It gives highest weightage. Almost 10 marks we can expect from the GATE examination. And also you understand, operating system, such a subject is operate every computer science subject. It is not talking about single subject. Every computer science student should study operating system. Why, sir? This is also equally important in case of placements. In a placements, definitely in a technical round, you can expect the question from operating system. And such a way we design. So we design our curriculums. If you study GATE computer science, like GATE operating system, definitely you are able to solve all the types of questions. You can also attempt the inter-level questions also. Okay. In operating system, essential part understand IPS synchronization. So today, if you talk about so like if you take e-commerce based applications, our database applications, all our things are handled by IPC mechanism. Especially one of the important topics, semaphores are there. It's a practical implementation. Okay, so we are like taking the case studies, like how this synchronization mechanism works and what are these advantages and limitations and implementation. All the aspects we covered in the classes, like that definitely going to help you a lot. So not only for GATE examination, once you clear the GATE examination, some of the IITs and conduct the interviews and the written tests. Again, this will help you a lot, in case of interviews. So that's you take the importance of the operating system. Yes, so all of you who are watching, I'm requesting all of you share the link to the other your friends also, though, so that they can join and they get benefited from this live sessions. So I'm expecting even more queries, so that I'll try myself to answer it. Yes. Any other queries? Any other queries? Those who are asking, those who are watching, I'm expecting some comments, some whatever doubts are there. Let me know. Let me know. Okay. And also one more thing, all of you. So every computer science students and data science who are going to prepare, focus on mathematics properly. Why? Because in case of data science paper, mathematics giving the highest weightage, 35 to 38 marks happened from the last paper. And if you perform mathematics well, and other subjects also are able to do it, and also understand, in case of interviews, like so when you completing this after GATE exam, when you go for applying for MTech admission, so some of the IITs conduct their own test as well as written interview will be there. In that written test, definitely we can expect the questions from mathematics. So that right now only just focus more on mathematics. In case of computer science, you see, if you are good at mathematics, so many other problems in a core subjects also you're able to solve it. Especially you understand, if you study well probability statistics, probability topics, you can say various applications, various level, even computer networks, you can see in operating system, the various level the question framing can be observed. That is the reason primarily you should focus more on mathematics, as well as you understand discrete mathematics also important. Sir, how GATE coaching will help you interview for a top MNCs? Yeah. So very good question. One of the student asked, sir, if I prepare the GATE, is it really help to getting into very good MNC and with highest package? Yes, this is absolutely right question. You understand. So example, the topic which we covered from a GATE preparation, understand data structure algorithm will be there. Okay, DBMS, computer networks, operating system, and computer organization architecture, even compiler design is there. So in a technical round, understand the most of the people, if you take the Google interview, search it also, the most of the interviews, these are the common subject where you can get the questions. Especially if you take the computer networks is there. The questions they can get it, the layers, different layers, what protocols are there in different layers, how the protocols works and the implementation of their protocols. Example, if you see the IPC environment, what protocols use like. So this type of questions definitely asked. Then this we are going to study in the course of the particular computer networks. And obviously, every interview definitely the coding test will be there, and a data structure algorithm, understand programming data structure algorithm. So where you see the logic building, so this logic will definitely help you to lot, in case of interviews. Looking at DBMS. So DBMS concepts also, like, it is completely, you understand, if any particular database, if you want to design, so what are the protocols, what are the principles we need to follow, what is the structure you'll follow, all the things are discussed in the course of DBMS. So the curriculum has such a way, definitely help you a lot in case of interviews. Sir, it is advisable to prepare mathematics and core subjects simultaneously. Ash Thakur, absolutely question. See, so suppose when you start any subject, generally we'll feel the bore. Like, suppose if I ask you to prepare computer architecture, throughout the day studying the operating system or computer or same subject is will give you bore. Always I'm suggesting you start parallelly two subject. Either you can start with mathematics with a core subject, or you can start with any core subject. Yes, obviously you can start. Sir, I have got 470 in GATE 2024 and rank is 6000. It is possible to get the good NIT, or shall I join any company or re-prepare? So very good question, ma. Okay, you got 6000 change. So first of all, you understand, if you immediately want to join some NITs, yes, you can get it. So top NIT may not get some, you can say moderate NIT, definitely you may get it with the 6000 rank. Suppose if you're willing to join immediately, you can join it. Okay, so my question to you, so did you join somewhere? Are you working somewhere? Or you want to prepare for an interviews to getting into job? Yes. Based on your financial conditions, I'm telling you, if based on your financial conditions, if you are able to, like, no, survive for next 6 months, better you can give a one more attempt, so that 6000 rank is there. So definitely you can get even better rank, because based on your experience, you might have seen the paper pattern. Then if you prepare well, then definitely you'll get a confidence to get even more less than some so less than rank, some less than 500, some less than 200 rank. So that definitely help you a lot. So you are working, okay, you're working. So then when you are working, what you can do, so you continue the job and start preparing one more time, give an attempt, so that, see, you understand. So next year also you can take, see, the once you get a very good rank, so you will having the three years validity, right? Anytime you can join, you continue your job, start preparing, like hardly say next 6 months only there, right? You prepare it, definitely if you get a very good rank, less than 1000, less than 500, you can stop your job and join it. That's going to help you a lot. Sir, currently working, but is mentally not trying to prepare with a job. Okay. See, so I'm saying, suggesting one thing, all of you, those who are working professional, very big challenge for this, because so Monday to Friday, so you have to do the job, and only Saturday, Sunday is there. So trust me, one word I'm telling you. If you have a, like, what you can say, if you have something willpower, if I want to do it, you can do it. I'll show you my student only in Jayanagar in the Bangalore center last year. He passed out before only. He was working professionally. He was working, and we have a classes of regular and SLE weekend. He used to come every day evening, like taking permission from the job, and he used to attend the classes even Saturday Sunday managed. His rank was 501. You can verify from our website also. He got all India rank 501. Yes, it's a decent rank. You can get it what good IIT or not. Still you are able to manage it, but you should be focused. Saturday, Sunday time, you should utilize it. If somebody giving some 4-5 hours time, you should give it at least 6 to 8 hours or 8 to 10 hours if you give it Saturday, Sundays, and Monday to Friday. So try to devote at least 2 hours in the morning 1 hour or evening 1 hour. In this way, if you're able to do it, high chances are there you can score it well marks. It's possible. It is possible, I'm telling. I'm not saying normally, no, this is proven things. So what are the common subject for a DNCSC? Very good question. So common subject you see, dear student, for a data science and computer science, we have DBMS, and programming in Python is there, programming C will be there. Data structure algorithm is common, DBMS is common. General aptitude 15 marks are common. Most of the mathematics, engineering mathematics subject is common. I can say almost, the common topics are 70 marks, you can say 70 marks are common. 70 or 60, you can say 65 marks are common. 65 marks are common. So definitely, the preparation of CSC will help you for DA paper. Okay. Sir, give a strategy for a dropper. Okay. Listen now, this is very important. There are three category of students, college goers are there, and working professionals and droppers who are preparing the full time. The who are preparing the full time next 7 months, for them is a huge chances are to get the good rank in the gate exam. Huge chances are there. Why? Because entire day is free. But for them challenge is that planning the day is much important. Planning the day is much important. What you guys has to do, we have a time like 7 months are there. You should finish the 5 months only, or 4 months only. You should finish the syllabus. How this is possible, sir? How this is possible? Okay, now you entire syllabus is there, right? 11 subjects are there. No, I said average 2 subjects per month. Dropper, you put a target of three subject per month, like 3 subject per month or 2.5 subject per month. Maximum 4 months or 4.5 months you should complete the syllabus. So notes creation, so you should complete, so that at least you will be having 2.5 months for the revision practice in the PYQs. What you have to do? So big goal, don't put it the big plan like no next 6 months what should I do it. Okay, suppose example this month I want to cover the two subject. Okay, two subjects I want to get. At a time try to take the two subjects, like one is engineering mathematics and discrete mathematics, or discrete or COA or OS or COA. Two subject you take. In a day you should plan it like 1 month 2 subject you want to cover. So 15 days like what 50% is syllabus, and weekly how much, daily how much, like in a day you should just plan it, try to execute. Remember students, most of the student failed in the gate exam or any other exam, not having the knowledge or grasping power, because of not able to plan their day. So you should execute your day. Like example, in a daily I want to less 6 hours or 8 hours. You plan it like 2 hours one subject. Take a break of half an hour. Again 2 hours. Again take a break of half an hour, 1 hour. Like this you schedule it. So for your schedule, you are only the best person to schedule and execute the day. If you are able to perform, utilize the day properly, then definitely 1 week you are able to utilize. Take a target of 1 week, take a target of 2 days, take a target of 1 day, try to execute in this manner. 2 months, in 1 month if you're able to cover two subject, 2.5 subject, you will get a lot of confidence. Next month also you do it. 2 months to try to execute it, you will be finishing 5 subject and you will get a lot of confidence. So 5 subjects means the 50% syllabus over, right? So 30% if you increase, definitely you can get the good marks. It is highly possible. I hope you understand. Sir, computer science, what can be the job role in the software industry? Seema, in computer science, job role, there are many. I cannot say only one direction is there. So majorly, I have to classify it. In terms of design based will be there, development. So development based and administration, maintenance. You understand, service based roles will be there and design based roles will be there, right? Okay. So now suppose joining through GATE exam. Suppose if you got good marks and passed out from IIT. Majority companies visit the IITs or NITs are product based companies, to understand. You will be getting the product based companies. Are you getting my point? Yes. One more. I am third year engineering student. So can I get good marks? Yes. Yes, my AR semantic. So that for that also I'll give an example. Our student, January student, I'm telling in Bangalore. Last year he was in third year. He joined around, so I'll tell, not even July. He joined September, October, November, December, January. Just he had a time of 4 to 5 months time. We suggest him don't study all the subject, just focus 5 subjects only. 5, 6 subjects only you studied. So he followed, he got 55 marks. I'm telling all third year students, okay, all third year students, if you started preparation, you are the best person to do, this year, or if something is missed out, then next year also chance will be there. In this third year, focus only 6 to 7 subject, not all, and revise this 7 subject properly. Practice enough PYQs. I'm repeating all of you. Your PYQs, you should do it at least 3 to 4 times. And you should practice at least 20 to 25 years of GATE questions, so that you will get a good confidence to solve the GATE exam, GATE questions. I hope you understand. Okay. So thank you so much for giving a good strategy for droppers. Most welcome. Please. So what is question, sir? What? So please help me multiple select questions. Okay. How should I answer? Very good question. See, the GATE has majorly 3 types of questions which you can see. One is a numerical answer type and MCQ will be there. MSQ will be there, right? So MSQ questions are recently added, like the past 3-4 years only. The before only two types of question we used to see. Okay. So when it is comes to MSQ, you understand, all of you, so those who are seriously preparing, for them I'm suggesting this MSQ questions are, MSQ questions plays a vital role, because if you miss out one option, the entire question going to be wrong only. So for this, what you need to focus, if you're taking classes from anybody, or you self-studying, focus on theoretical aspects. Or if you attend some classes, you follow the teacher instructions, all the note points, observation which is given, you just make it and understand them. Okay, if the theoretical aspect, if you focus well, answering such MSQ questions are possible. In computer science, I'll tell you, there are major subjects where you can expect the more MSQ questions. One is, I'm telling you, operating system, highly possible to make a MSQ question. Second is the computer networks. Computer network you can expect, and data structure you can expect the more questions, like TOs, high chances are there getting the MS questions. So such cases, if you are strong conceptual, if you are strong, fundamentally strong, answering such questions is not going to be difficult. And additional advantage, we have MSQ questions, you understand, having no negative. If you miss out also, you will not lose the marks, but you are going to lose the question mark. Sir, can you provide me any PDF for GATE 25? And I don't know where to start, how to start, which PDF should be allowed. Definitely I'll try to join the Telegram group of IMS GATE Academy. Okay, where we keep on updating the free content. Okay, definitely we'll upload the PDF also. I'm promising you. Okay, what I'm trying to say, as computer science student, if you want to start preparation from this subject this month. So one more question is that I'm generalizing all of you. Suppose some person want to start their preparation GATE computers in July month. Which subject the student has to start is the basic question. I'm answering, please all of you understand. If your core subject you want to start with the digital logic design. Starts with the digital logic design. Then you study COA. Then you study operating system. Always do remember, everybody, all of you, the order of preparation for core subject in computer science, followed by first digital, then followed by COA, then followed by operating system. These three subjects you study order only. Then apart from, when you are studying parallelly, you can start mathematics or discrete mathematics, you can start parallelly. But these three subjects should go on sequence: digital followed by COA, CO followed by operating system. I hope you understand. Then when you want to study compiler design, first to complete the theory of computation, then compiler design. That is order. Then C, programming, data structure, algorithms, this is the order. And you can study independently DBMS and computer networks. You can study independently. Anytime you can start DBMS, anytime you can start computer networks. So little basics required from digital logic, number system and all. Otherwise, you can start DBMS, computer networks parallel anytime. But other subject, when you want to start, so you should start with the digital logic design, followed by computer architecture, followed by operating system. Okay. Is there a center in Tamil Nadu, sir? So actually physical center is not present in Tamil Nadu. I am suggesting, we have a three mode of classes conducting: online classes and hybrid model. Some subjects are online, some subjects are physical, and physical center which are present in Bangalore. Two centers are there. One is Malaysia, one is Jayanagar, other is Vijayawada. Okay, online, see, the faculty who are teaching physical classes also taking the classes in online. In a content wise, there is no difference, and the properly planned schedule and the curriculum which start from some month and will go, enough time will be getting for revision also, such a way the curriculums are planning. So for you, I'm suggesting first you just visit the IMS having the free content, zero fees program. You just log in, you see the content, then if you like it, then you can go for online classes. I'm suggesting. So the Telegram group in the comment is posted. So some of you try to join it, so that at least some PDF we will be sharing you. Any other queries? Any other queries? So this is the time. Suppose somebody started third year. Some student, I'm telling, somebody started even second year. They're in second year, like a fourth semester, they start preparation. Okay, they start preparation. For them, third year students, second year students who are going to start their preparation, I'm telling you, it is the bonus you can see. If you prepare for a GATE, definitely it is helping to, score good marks in your semester exam. So most of the subjects are overlapping your third year. Let's take, TOC, compiler design, algorithms, DBMS, and operating system CO. These are subject in overlapping. So this will help you a lot. Is there any course for rank improvement, sir? So see, so as we what we do it, the as per the normal classes at the time of November and December, we conduct the sessions are GATE booster sessions. This is a premium product of IMS. You understand? We conduct in a YouTube. Okay, this is a free content. This will be going to be improved like anything. Like we are going to like take the questions or content, which is definitely going to improve your rank. That we are going to conduct. So one more flow of subjects. Sir, I'm giving the order of subject. First, engineering mathematics. Second is discrete mathematics. Okay, DMGT. Followed by digital logic design. Followed by computer algorithm architecture. Followed by operating system. Then start C programming, data structure, algorithm. Followed by TBC, compiler design, computer network, DBMS. This order, if you follow, you'll get the link between the subjects also. You will get the link between the subject. Sir, if I want to start in between means you can start. I said randomly if you want to start with the digital, then COA, then OS. So after this only you can start. Sir, if can I start parallelly engineering mathematics, you can start engineering mathematics. But if you started TOC, then consecutively study compiler design. Like this I said as a group 1, digital design, COA operating system. Group 2, TOC compiler design. Group 3, C data set algorithm. Then independently you can study DBMS computer network. You can start engineering mathematics anytime or general aptitude in between you have to study. Yes, this order should follow. Any other queries? Any other queries? So I hope you're getting the information and that going to be benefited to you. And I'm requesting everybody, if anybody having the doubts, you can keep asking so that I'll try to answer it all the questions. Yes, yes, all of you. Those who are watching, and so one more important things I would like to add, the creation of the short note. The try to one subject is like preparation over, example operating step preparation over. When you go for revision 1, during revision 1 create a short note in which you should add the important statement or formulas and observation note points. You keep on add, and don't create more than 15 pages of or 15 papers of each subject, and take only one notebook for all the subject, so that this will be help you lot in during the January time. Suppose example you are traveling somewhere, you can carry one notebook instead of 10 notebook. So this is a reference for you. Keep just revise these things. Sir, can CSC student apply ISRO? Very good question. Yes. So if you see the ISRO notification, so alternate year 2 years once we keep on get the scientist post, right? Yes. The CSE students or information technology students are obviously eligible for ISRO, and ISRO exam is similar to the GATE level, and level of questions are same, and you can see only extra subject you will need to study for ISRO paper. One is web technology and software engineering. Otherwise, rest of the subjects are common. Almost 75 to 80% syllabus is common for so ISRO as well as GATE. So not only this preparation helping for GATE exam. You understand ISRO, DRDO, BARC exam you see, and National Informatics Center, NILIT exam. There are a lot of options also there through. There also can get the jobs through what this preparation. And so if you see the PSUs, all of you understand PSUs we have less, but you can say number, you can 7 to 8 PSUs also recruit through GATE exam. If you have a GATE score less than 100, so I'm damn sure I'm telling you, if you have less than 100 rank, there are high chances are there you can get the PSUs also for CSE student. But compared to other branches, we have a less, but still we have a number, some 7 to 8 or 6 PSUs are there, so which they take through directly GATE score only. Yes. Any other queries? Any other queries, ma? Yes, ma. Those who are watching the video, sir. So we have a different languages like Java, C, C++. So which is the best, sir? PSU or MTech? Okay. See example when it comes to the question, should I go for PSUs or should I join the MTech program? So that depends on you. Suppose some students are the mindset fixed. I don't want to go for software engineering job or IT industries. So let me prepare well so that if I get into PSUs, I'll be working under so privileged institutions like where my job is secure throughout my life. No need to think for the other jobs. So definitely, if you get a good rank less than 100, you can opt for PSUs. The PSUs today we have not like earlier as 10 years back. So this PSU is also working the very good, very good projects. You will be, improving the lot of knowledge, and also some of the PSUs, you understand, some of the PSUs when you join it, they will be offering MTech program also. Means you join a PSU and they'll be offering you to continue. You can continue your MTech in IIT. The fees paid by these POCs only. So during this, you'll be getting the salary also. Some of the POCs, not all POCs, some of the POCs also allowing to pursue your MTech by joining the job also. That advantage we are getting from what POCs. Sir, how to learn any language for coding? So we have different languages like Java, C, C++. Okay, can you give the okay, sir, how to learn any languages for coding? So now see, understand to learning any coding, the first fundamental thing, start with C language. Okay, if you learn C language, at least basic programming principles you will getting. Basic programming design principles you will get it. So through which you can learn any other language. See, the C++ ultimately related to what C, and if you know C++, Java easily you can learn. And if you know the C things clearly, Python program learning also becomes easy. Sir, without learning C language, can I able to learn the Python language? Is possible. Yes, Python is user-friendly language. Okay, so most of the command-based only will be there. Easily you can learn Python language. So BITS Pilani is good college or not for MTech? You see the point to understand. The first topmost college you said IITs, old IITs, followed by some new IITs, then top NIT colleges. Okay. So when it comes to colleges like BITS Pilani, Triple IT Hyderabad, Triple IT Bangalore, so these are the three institutions top you can see after IITs. After IITs, I'm talking after older IITs. If you see, so top 7 IITs we have, right? Followed by some new IITs also good. Like if you take the IIT Hyderabad, so this kind of institutions are good. After this IIT Hyderabad, if you see, Triple ITs, lot of Triple ITs we have. Triple IT Bangalore, Triple IT Hyderabad, okay, like BITS Pilani. So this will be same, but in terms of placements, in terms of research, if you see Triple IT Bangalore and Triple IT Hyderabad is performing well. So one more question, sir. Sir, is it advisable to leave job? Okay. So I'm saying, are you writing first time gate paper? So I know you. I do not. You know CO. Okay. Are you writing the like gate exam first time or have you written any time before? So what could be the average salary for MTech from NITs and IITs? Okay. So Mathan, listen. So what to understand? So average package from IITs, if you see, average package I can say 2025. Okay. Because of recession, maybe this year got less, but some top package if you see even more than crores also there. And the minimum package if you say minimum 15 lakhs will get no any IITs or NITs. Average you can say 20-25 lakhs. Even NIT is also performing well. If you take NIT Trichy or Surathkal or NIT Warangal, the average package is more than 20 lakhs happened from the last placements also. So it is advisable to leave the job. So now you understand if you are going to attempt the first time, okay, now we have a 7 months time. Okay. If you seriously like I'm saying now, if the job is decent right now, if the job is decent right now, what you can do, so you continue your job and start preparing. Take some online courses and Saturday, Sunday devote it, continue it. Okay. Suppose that your job is not stable and you are getting the less salary. So suppose if you spend 1 year time also, it is not going to affect your financial things. So definitely you can take a decision. This 7 months fully if you dedicate, so getting good marks in the GATE CSC paper or data paper is possible. So you can join some IIT or NIT, passed out 2 years through which you can enter the job. That's also possible. Any other things? Any other things? So yes, can you give the kind of PSUs? I think Power Grid. I do not remember the name. I think Power Grid are some POCs. Like no, I've seen their website also where they're offering MTech program. Okay, for those employees who joined it. So what are futures of IMS Gate Academy giving? Very good, very good, very good question. See, IMS, a lot of things are there. Like no, as the in terms of classes, I said three models we have. One the full online classes, hybrid model online. Apart from this classes, you understand IMS has a one unique model. You see, it's a mentorship. Mentorship means what? My plan session we called, where every student getting the decent number of my plans. The student officially they can connect the mentor faculty, so sit together and get the proper strategy for preparing the gate exam. So that means to understand throughout a year the faculties are tracking the performance of students and guiding continuously, so that there are high chances are the student getting the good marks. Happened in our JNR center last year. Apart from this, so one authenticated, you understand, like we created 34 years of the previous year gate questions. Most of the old previous year gate questions, you understand, 1999 or 1998, those questions also we given a proper solutions. Apart from the video solutions also we given multiple solutions, observation, such a material we created. And apart from this, we have like chapter wise tests, subject wise tests, multiple subject tests, and a 12 so the full length test series we are going to conduct India wise, which is equivalent to the gate level. So these are the features definitely helping you a lot for the preparation, like for student to getting the good score. Yes, very good, ma. Very good things like IOCL, BPCL, like Power Grid. There are many things are offering this one. Any doubt solving sessions? Yes, yes. I forgot to mention. Apart from you understand my plans, all the things. We have a separate doubt solving session portal will be there. LMS doubt portal, where student when they are doing preparation, if they get the doubt immediately they can post within 24 hours or maximum 48 hours. Concerned faculty we are going to be giving proper answers to student. Okay, because during preparation is the most important thing, you understand, no? When I'm preparing, suddenly I'll get a doubt, nobody is there to answer it. Who is going to solve my question? Yes, the faculties are going to answer within 24 hours. That facilities we have. And because you understand, it is not going to be like giving a question to the faculty here. Automatically the app as when the student you posted, automatically it will divert to the concerned faculty related subject. So you are going to answer it. We have that model. Yes. Sir, is there also a on YouTube? So any doubt solving session? So Prabhanshu, I did not get your question. Can you repeat your question? So one more thing, I'll answer it. Try to answer it. If you watch it, our sessions in YouTube, some videos we recorded. Okay, post gate guidance we have model. After the gate exam, what we do, we'll spend the 15 days time. All the faculties we observe the the courses offered by the NITs, IITs, and we made the differences between the like what score, what college, what score, what scores or what college you can get it. All the full analysis we did. So those sessions, if you watch it, and I think you'll get a better clarity, which IIT, which NIT, which triple IT, which Pilani, or which institute is good, and which we should having the good courses also in terms of research, all the things we have given in that one. So because I'm not able to purchase your courses due to financial conditions, okay. Prabhanshu, I think the fee structure. If you see, I think compared to other people, it's having less only. Suppose if you are not able to take the online courses, one more option is there. Self-recording what course is there. That will be, I think, minimal cost. Means already we recorded sessions are there. Recorded sessions you will be getting, and apart from that, you will be getting my plan sessions also, so that you can interact the faculty. You will not miss out any doubt things, ma. In a YouTube, I have attended some of the sessions. It has helped me a lot for GATE 2024. Okay, thank you, Matan. Thank you, Matan. Okay. So, Prabhanshu, I'm suggesting you, we have a self-recording, sessions will be there, recorded things. That course will be, I think, cheaper than among all available. Okay. If you opt it, the content is same. The faculty who is teaching the same content, and apart from that, you will be getting some extra things what my plan session, so that you can know you can take the suggestion. Sir, is there any live class? See, Prabhanshu, understand, live class we conduct, but full course is not possible, right, in online. Full course is not possible, right? So I'm suggesting, if you are sincerely want to prepare it, in a YouTube, whatever content is a random content, this will help you to boost your preparation, but is exactly not going to be help you a lot. Suppose you want to start from scratch level, the YouTube content will not give full length, I'm telling. That's my suggestion. But YouTube content which we have taken definitely will help have additional, because suppose you are already preparing something, add on this content will help increasing your marks. We'll try, sir. Definitely we'll try. So Prabhansh, I'll tell one suggestion also. Computer organization. I have almost 20 sessions I have conducted. Most important topics from COA, even operating system I have taken. Not only this digital classes, some mathematics classes we have it. You can watch that content also. I will try it. In upcoming days, we'll try to increase our YouTube classes so that we will get benefited. We'll get benefited. We'll take this feedback into in a serious way. We'll do it. Yeah. Any other queries? Any other queries? I hope most of the queries I have answered. If any queries still is there, let me know. Welcome. Welcome, Prabhanshu. Take ideal decision, but if you delay it also, it will impact on your performance. Sir, can mechanical student apply for DA? Very good question. Okay. See, understand. So recently the notification released by IIT Roorkee, you go and see the two paper combination, a single paper combination, and they can observe. But I'm telling you, so DA paper can be written by computer science students, and BTech like data science or artificial intelligence machine learning student, and BTech EC electronics student, and double E students, IN students, mathematics student, physics student, mechanical students also able to write the DA paper. I'm giving information. Civil BTech civil student cannot able to apply GATE data paper, data science paper. Civil students are not eligible. Otherwise, most of the branches are eligible. Sir, is there any mock test series coming? Ashwin, see, so you might have seen notification also, the test series plus package we are selling it, having of the full length 12 test series followed by some materials also going to provided. So very soon we are going to release this 12 test series, we created by the faculties, and it is giving the top computation, understand, equal to real GATE exam, so that the student has to feel, so this is a GATE level question, as well as they can check their time management, all the things can be done through okay, this test series. Yes, we have a test series. We have a test series. Sir, please tell us know the final words for the GATE preparation 2025. Okay, the final thing, just I want to conclude it. Before conclusion, I'm expecting some any doubts are there, so that I can clear it, so that I can conclude the statement for this 25 student. Okay. So there might get 20-25 students, like including computer science, data science, or other branches students, this ideal time for GATE preparation. 7 months are ideally sufficient, but giving the more time in a day wise, if you work out, definitely it will high chances are there to get the good marks. I'm telling all of you, whether you are going to join the MTech or not, but I'm recommending to every BTech student should appear the GATE exam. Why, sir? It is improving the two aspects majorly. Fundamentally, you will be becoming a strong. Fundamentally, you are going to become a strong. Suppose some student want to go for research, this is the right time to build your fundamental strong. Then you can go for research. And those who are preparing the GATE, some you want to go for a job, IT job, that definitely help you a lot. So one experience I'm telling, some students or my friends, somebody working industry, okay, having of some 6-7 years experience, okay. So those who prepared that time GATE, having the fundamental strong, they are in team lead position, right? They are able to analyze the project easily, understand the architecture, all the things, becomes easy. Okay, this way also it will help you. The question is, sir, are there any online test series for mock tests going for the launched in December? Yes, it is online. So understand the test series which we are going to conduct, the 12 test series is the purely online basis only. Okay. It is available for other than IMS students, no charge will be there. You check the website, IMS portal, go and check the test series pack is there. test series plus having a set of 12 test series plus some books also will be getting, so that is help you a lot for preparation, like the practice in the questions. It is a purely online based is available. Yes, ma. Any other queries? Any other? I hope the most of the queries are resolved. If anybody having, so I can able to answer it. Otherwise, I wind up this session. Ma. Yes, Prabhanshu, tell me what is your query? What is your query? Did I miss, sir? So I am from ECW branch. Now I'm going to prepare the attempt. Okay, you are going to second attempt. Please suggest me. Okay. So how many marks, Prabhanshu, you got last year? Did you qualify? Prabhanshu, did you qualify double paper last year? Okay, no, whatever, like you might have got some idea, like the paper, the pattern paper, right? Pattern of the paper, right? Okay. Now 7 months are there. High chances are that no, you score the good marks. You start preparing. Are you taking the classes somewhere, or are you self-prepared? So just a minute. So 21 marks, so not qualified. So did you take any classes, or started your self-preparation? Prabhanshu. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So both. Okay. Then you might have noticed, right, like what the level of paper where you are lagging, correct or not? So if you seriously want to prepare it, take these classes. I'm not saying that you should take it here wherever you feel, but IMS is providing what self-learning program with a minimal cost. I think that you can afford it, and all the syllabus, the recorded form available, and you will be getting all this. What I talk, previous year gate question booklets, mock tests, many things are there. All you will be getting, and this information definitely going to be enough for getting the good marks in GATE 2025. So start immediately your preparation, because next 5 months you plan it like monthly two subjects. If you're able to cover next 5 months, if you complete, the last 2 months will be there for your revision. So that is more sufficient to clear it, good marks in a gate paper is possible. So sir, which NITs are best? So in terms of NIT top list, if you see like for computer science, so NIT Trichy is there, then Surathkal is there, NIT Warangal, and this list will go. The top NITs are, always you understand, all the South NITs are top for computer science. The placements are, NIT Trichy is placement, you understand, sometimes far better than some lower IITs. In terms of placements, NITs are top NITs are performing well. Okay, you're getting my point. Sir, few subjects lectures on YouTube from your coaching only. Oh, that's great. That's great. That's great. But at least you can enroll for self-running program. Then getting this what you can say my plan session, you can get the better guidance from the electrical faculty, getting your good score, right? Where to access the material? Is it free? Okay. Dear, understand, the free materials are like no. So in terms of PDF form, you can get it from zero free program is there. You just go and check the zero free program. You can see what the free content is that you can go and access. So what I'm suggesting, if you buy the test series plus, you will be getting the earlier that some of the materials, and when this test series comes in a live, automatically you will get the credentials. You are going to access what you can attempt it from. I think ideally to make start from September onwards, or end of the September or first week of October, going to start the what you can say 2025 live test series. I hope this is clear. Anybody having any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? I'm lagging from recall issues. See, Prabhanshu, I'm telling you, not only you. See, the gate preparation is all about how many times you revised it. Okay, it's not depends on the talent. Like if you have enough skills for grasping the information, then multiple revisions, gives. If you do multiple revisions and multiple practicing, like a chapter word test, subject word test, and PYQs, as I mentioned initially also, last minimum 25 years, 20 to 25 years previous year gate questions, at least 2 to 3 times you revise it. Practice same question again and again and understand. So practice the question, observe what information provided, what you missing, and keep it as a note point, then move on to the topic. Like this, if you multiple revisions you do, definitely you will be the perfect person. So see, initially maybe showing like no, you are not able to understand the question, every student initially not able to understand the question, some student not able to read also, like no. So the stage only can improve by practicing, right? Multiple practices you have to do, multiple practices you do. So definitely you can able to do it now. Sir, give some tips for to remember the topics. See, you understand, Srinu Yadav, please understand, GATE is not like a bank exam or some the civil services where you have to remember the more things. The GATE is reviewing less remembering. Okay, if you do not have a remembering power, is the best thing what I can say, because it is purely based on the concepts of things. Story type. You learn your concepts, understand, and you forget. Like no, forget means what? Practice. Put them into action. Put them into practice and problems. So that is the only best way to do it. There is no any shortcuts, right? There is no any shortcut. Correct or not? So multiple revisions are the best solution I can say. Yes, Reen. Then one more suggestion I said, na. So how I can remember the things, you one subject is to try to create a short notes. For every subject, you should have a short notes. All the short notes means what, 10 to 15 pages in one notebook. So one notebook you carry like a diary. Okay, wherever you travel, you keep it with this one. You will revise it. This one way. Other way, understand, especially mathematics. Or if you are an electrical student, a lot of formulas will be there, right? So what you can do, buy a A5 page sheet, A5 page. Write out all the formulas, stick on the walls. Daily watch, daily watch, daily watch. Obviously, automatically after 2 3 months, you will be in a good at in the formulas also. So important statement, all you written, put it on all the walls. So that's the way. Revision, please understand. Revision is not only taking the notebook and studying. By walking also you can remember. Like you're traveling somewhere, you sitting in the bus assumption. You just start thinking yourself. Okay, in this particular subject, what are topics are there? What I know. So start recalling yourself. These are ways you can able to revise a thing. When you revise multiple times, automatically you remember the things, right? Am I right, Sinu? I hope you understand the things which you have to do. Yes, yes, ma. Yes, ma. Anybody, any queries? Yes, Prabhanshu, tell me, what is another problem you are facing? Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Any more queries? Dear all students, finally, just I would like to conclude. We are running with time. Okay. So, like, take the wise decision, start preparation from this month. Plan it like, monthly wise, 15 days wise, weekly wise, daily wise. Try to implement your action plan. Okay, if you're able to execute it next 2 3 months, obviously you are able to execute next 4 months like this. So definitely, eventually it will lead to your good results. No, all the best, students. I am understanding very quickly and forgetting very quickly. Okay, so you have additional advantage. You are understanding very quickly. Your grasping power is more. That is a good sign for you, Prabhanshu. So for this, I am what I suggested. The subject once over, you try to create a short notes, write all the formulas, maintain a mini sheet, your study room in the wall, write them all the formulas, important statements and all. So keep watch them. So you try for at least 1 month. Change will be there in your preparation. So this will definitely improve problem solving skills and remember things also. I hope your concern subject. I feel much subjects are like not required to remember except the formulas. Concept not required to remember, right? Kind of story type. Understand, move on, and try to apply the problems. So to keep on touch with subject and start practicing the question up. Like take the exercise books or like any chapter test or subject test or PY. Take so work. Keep on workout. Keep on workout. So that's the only way to you can overcome this problem. Fine. So I hope you understand all the students, like most of the queries are resolved. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining the session. Thank you so much, all. Sir. I feel I'm getting distracted from my goal. Okay. So I'll give it, one point. Suppose example, when I am feeling hunger, okay. So next 10 days I don't have food, okay. So to fill my stomach, I have to do something, correct or not? If you have a zeal to do something, so why you will distracted from the other problems, right? You should put it what you want to become next after 7 months. What do you want to do it? Next 30 years, what you want to do it? This kind of things, if you keep in mind, no, you will not get distracted. You will not get distracted from this your goal. So, which is better, ISC Bangalore or IIT Kharagpur for MTech? Obviously, you understand, ISC Bangalore is the top in terms of research or in terms of development. You can opt it, and obviously, you understand, getting into ISC Bangalore, you need so less than 100 rank. Some courses maybe get with the having of the lower gate score also. You can try it out, but when it comes to choosing IIT Kharagpur and ISC Bangalore, you can opt for ISC Bangalore only. So I hope this is clear, all of you. Thank you so much, all. Like I'll be winding up the session, ma.